What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Hunter Diamond Zero. So today I'm gonna show you how to make an automatic cactus farm. Yeah, I am on creative, so I forgot I can do that. Anyway, let's get back into the video. I don't know how much you'll need because it depends how much you do it. If you're on survival, so you need water bucket, chest, hopper, 2 hoppers, I know that for sure. Cactus, oak fence, any kind of fence, sand, and glass. So, yeah, let me just show you how to do that. So you just place this like that. So, just like that. Keep forgetting about that. I'll make it that big for now. Still keep forgetting I'm on creative. Because normally I play on vanilla rounds. Granted 1 I says I play on vanilla rounds. And 180 says I play on vanilla rounds way too much. And also, I'm gonna start making a new channel called, like a new, not a channel, basically. Like I'm gonna be making yeah, you just place a glass of pile on that. Or you could place your, you don't really have to place that there if you don't want to. Or you could place, your, anyway, so, yeah, I'm gonna start doing free SMP. If you don't know what that is, 180 Gaming, and, yeah, you need about 3 hoppers, 2 chests, go like that, and then the hoppers, this hopper's gonna go into that chest, which you should see it like that, so it should go like that, and then this hopper right here goes into that, so you should see it go like that as well. Same on this side. You should do it there like that. And if you want, you could go like that. And then it should go into there. And you could just like all of them should go into there. And should go back into there as well. So, yeah. After you should like fill this up as ever high you should, and then yeah, you should keep doing your walls as ever high as you want, and then yeah, so yeah, we'll do this, and yeah, you should do this. You should do your walls first, but I'm on a flat server where I haven't built my house. So I'm gonna do a series of places, not really places, but I'm gonna do a series of just building. This is called my building server, and yeah, this is called my building server. So this should go towards here, not goes towards there. Made a mistake. So yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and destroy this. So yeah. So yeah, this is 4 high. So if you do a glass there, this can still open, but if you do any other block, it probably might not work. But it should. So once you place the water, which you should place the oak fence first, like it should be like one free space. So like you should go like that, and that'll be up against right about here. But the cactus won't place if you do that, so it has to be right here. And then you break that, and then you go that, and that, break that. Same thing. Do it over and over again. Yeah, so yeah, you just keep on doing that over and over and over and over. So yeah, until it ends up to the wall, and you do it on every single row. Boom, bam, bam, bam. Oh wait, whoops, wrong one. Bam, bam, bam. Wrong one again. Keep doing that. That one. That one. That one. And you don't necessarily have to put it on here. It just has to go to these. And you don't have to do it on that side. But yeah, you just have to do that. Break that. Whoa, break that. Like there. Bam, bam. Bam, bam. Bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam. Whoopsie. Keep doing it. But one more. Bam. So yeah, that's it. And then you could start placing the water, because it won't place without the water. So you do one there. One there, whoa, not there, one here, and then not there, you go one here, like every time it goes like that, and you go one there, and then sometimes you might have to do this, if it doesn't go all the way. So, yeah, then it might go all the way, it might not, you might have to keep doing it a few times. There now, well, not there. Oh wait, now it goes all the way. So, now you have to go that there, and that there. So, then it will like, if you drop something over there, yeah, if you drop something over here, then you should, okay, not there exactly. If you drop it here, it should go over into here soon. It would go into there soon. Might take a while. Oh, see, you might get stuck. Let's try that again. Bam. See, I should. Got stuck again. Anyway, sometimes you have to like make it shorter or bigger. Depends how big though. If it goes pretty good, but then you could start placing a cactus all over, and then I would wait for like a few days on Minecraft days, and then if it doesn't work, that means you have a problem. It's either too big or there's water. But anyway, that is the cactus automatic farm. Really easy to make. Doesn't involve redstone or anything. I don't know how to make it without redstone. But yeah, so really easy to make. Yeah. Also, I think we have a bit of time. Okay, we have a bit of time, so I can show you how to make. I need that. I can show you how to make the also the thing to make concrete. So you need concrete powder, and then you also can do this, and then you could go like this, 2 by whatever your wall is, but there has to be a 2 gap right here, or a 1 gap or something, however big you want it, and let's do that like 3 high, and then yeah, so just let me do this really quick. And then you just go bam bam. So yeah, you just do that. And then you could get like slabs. I'm on creative, so I can just do it. So yeah, I can just get slabs. I always do that. But then you could like place that there, and then you could do like let's see, like concrete powder, and then you could just like do bam 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 all the way to your roof, and then you could grab a pickaxe diamond, because I'm Hunter Diamond, and then you could just like break that, and then you'll get it. So yeah, that's really easy, really fun to make. Doesn't involve any redstone or anything. Anyway, this is my building server, and I'll do more videos on this soon. Hang on. Let me get something like a diamond sword, since I'm Hunter Diamond. So yeah, I am Hunter Diamond 08, and I play with Creeper 14641 as a channel too, and Green Kid 180 Gaming Shorts. They all have a channel. So you should go subscribe to them. I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Okay, I'm trying to find the whole piece. Peace, y'all.